Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to achieve this flip over sewing using bundles from Likablewig. So here I'm just showing you what you will receive when you purchase your bundles. I also have 24-inch bundles. The curl pattern is deep wave and I also have 3 bundles of this. So it's important when you do your braid down to leave hair at the front. So this is the big hairs at the front which I'm going to take out to have my leave out. So here you can see my sister sewing on the weave onto the back of my hair. This is very simple. All she did was sew in the bundles from side to side. She didn't cut any pieces and just followed the same pattern. Once this is done, you just need to straighten out your leave out and also section your baby hairs and curl those with a small straightener. Now you're going to see the tool that's going to help the hair blend into the bundles, which is this small curler. I think it's called a chopstick curler, and this is going to be a game changer when you want your hair to blend with the bundles. With this step, you just curl the hair any direction, or specifically the direction you want the curls to drop. Another way you can blend your leave out is using the first track in your hair and curling them together.
I'm the type of nigga that gets sassy on the bitch, VVS, clarity stone.
Okay guys, so these are the curls in its natural texture. So we use got to be spray to flatten down the front of your hair. You use this to push your hair back and get a sleek finish. After you use the got to be spray, you now use a blow dryer and a hot comb to just keep the hair in place. So following this, we then use gummy and gorilla snot to create the edges. I really find that using these two together keeps my hair laid for so long and my edges barely sweat. And then sometimes I also go on top of this with got to be spray if I want an extra hold. So for this look, I wanted a really fluffy edge, so my sister just put the gel on the roots of my hair and left the ends with no product. So here you just see her playing around with the hair because we wasn't sure what direction we wanted the curls to go in yet.
We just having fun, man. DOP the gun, man. DOT.
So after we had curled my hair and done my edges, we cut some layers into the front as I wanted it to just be a bit more natural looking. So these are the curly hair products I use on the hair. I've got the full names in my TikTok video and Instagram video on how to freshen up your leave out.
Was on this level, vibing in a function. 100K for a walkthrough. Why you talking to me? Staring at a dead president. They be talking to me, but look, I'm the type that gets sassy on the bitch. One thing I can't stand is a messy little bitch. And y'all niggas undercover male groupies. 105 with the window down, bumping Fuji's.
Don't want one, you're filthy. I'm a flash hard to kill me. Handsome. Say she wanna fuck me cause I'm handsome.
I'm the type that get sassy on the bitch. Put respect up on my name, oh, I'm heavy in this bitch, yeah.
Handsome. Say she wanna fuck me cause I'm handsome.
Big chillin' with my foolies and we all cool. Hit 'em with the whole fully, we don't argue. You ain't hopping out on the mission, man, that's awful. You ain't counting money, checking chicken, man, that's awful. And I got a car full of them female fossils. Little baby, act a fool with it, take a job full. I be tripping sauce too, I done took a loss too.
So I bought this diffuser attachment on Amazon and I just attach it to the end of this blow dryer to give me that full bouncy look. I really want the hair to have a lot of volume, so I found that using this creates fullness in the hair and it also defines the curls really nicely.
I done fell on my pocket, that's just what a boss do. Ain't nothing to a full-time player on the deep end. Always on the deep end, I'm ballin' on the deep end. My H-Boom Boom said he callin' on the deep end. I'm a pledge to the soul dollar with the legions. But I'ma get sassy on the bitch, hit her with the wham bam, break a levy on the bitch, yeah. I lift the shirt up, then I do my dance. I can manage for the camera somehow.
Don't want one, you're filthy. I'm a flash hard to kill me. Handsome. Say she wanna fuck me cause I'm handsome.
I'm the type that get sassy on the bitch, put respect up.
As the front of my hair was short, I wanted to add a bit more shorter pieces throughout the hair just to make it look a bit more realistic, and I found this really locked in the look. When I tell you I love this hairstyle, these bundles from Likablewig was so good. I love it. I'm going to definitely install it again and again. It's definitely amazing hair. I highly recommend. I have a 32% discount, so make sure you use it for money off on your next purchase. Bye guys.